you want to run a limited time sale that drives urgency and sales, in this video I will show you how to launch a flash sale in GoHighLevel so you can sell more in less time, even if you are new to funnels. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link for the GoHighLevel. That's the double of the official 14 days. And you can get some free exclusive bonuses and you will get the live bootcamp access. So check the link from the description to grab the offer, and let's get back to the video. So to do that, just you have to log in your account in GoHighLevel, and once you are in, just go to this site and you will be on this funnel here. So here you can see this is the easy access. Basically this is the easy access store. I mean, this funnel is for my e-commerce business. You can see the business now. It has the store, the purchase, the upsell, downsell, and the thank you step. So basically this is the store. I am going to add a countdown in this page, so I'm just selecting this and click on this edit. So you can see this is my store page. Okay, so here this is my hero or the image banner, the hero image. Now here on this top here I want to add a countdown. So let's say I just firstly want to delete this, okay, and click on this add to add a element and search for the countdown. You can see this element, so just drag and drop here. Now set the time here. Now here you can customize the thing, like where you want to add a center, the left, the right. So I want this at a center, then can end the timing. Okay, okay, 25. Let's give it a 12 hour, or let's set the time and change it to 12 p.m. and give it the 21-hour countdown. Then you can change the time zone, you can change all of the thing, and if someone click on this, then where he will or she will be redirected, you can control that. Okay, so you can show element and you can add the link, like I want to add the website link, so you can do this, and that's it basically. After that, if you want, then you can change the style. Okay, so here you can change the style, so I'm keeping it as it is. Then if you want, then you can change the color. I like this color. Okay, and then click on this save to save this, or if you want to publish it on your website or your funnel page, then you can click on this publish and it will be live on your website. And that's it basically. This is how you can easily add the countdown timer in your website or your funnel or in your website, wherever you want. And that's it basically. You just launch a flash sale funnel in GoHighLevel, and it's very quick but effective. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.